We will start over here. And I did notice that there's an egg sitting over here. We'll put that in there first. We're gonna walk over here. Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't. Is there an egg in here? There is an egg in here. Look at that. Eggs. Oh yeah, I smashed my finger the other day. That hurt. We got two eggs. I really got to clean up this. Boy, I wish I had more time in the day, because there's always something to do at a farm, especially here on Grumbles Homestead. So, did you like your videos today? Subscribe. Throw me a comment. You can comment right now. We got 2, 4, 5 eggs so far. We're gonna dive over here. Now for the last week, a couple of the chickens been getting broody. A black one and a white one. And I wonder if they're still in here. Should we take a peek? Take a peek, see if they're still in here. I see a white one. And the black one? Yep, there they are, laying together. I gotta check and see if there's some eggs under you girls. Can I check? No, you're just kind of sitting there. Can I check under you? Oh, there is. There's one. There's 2 so far. Sorry there. That's not Fred. Oh, there's 3. There's 4. Boy, those blue eggs get huge. I don't know if you can see how blue that is. It's a light blue. Any more under there, the little girl? Oh, there is. There's one more under there, a brown one. Well, we got 10 so far. What do you think about that? Hey, is that a good count so far? Well, we got more to get. Excuse me. Oh, look, there's a bear butt going in there. It doesn't matter how many times I clean this poop off here. All right, we got 10, and the magic number is a broody hen. Why are you so mad? Why are you so mad? We got our 10 eggs, but we got this broody chicken, and she can get mean when she's broody. Old Puppy Cheeks is in there trying to lay an egg. If I reach under her, she's probably protecting eggs. She wants to hatch, right? Oh, there she goes. Look at, we have eggs. We have eggs. There's 2 more. Boom, boom. Can I get that out of there? No, I should pull that out earlier. There's 12. Excuse me. We got 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17. And there we have it. The big old egg count for today is 17. Did you comment correctly? I hope so. Stay tuned for the next egg count and our next adventures on farm life on Grumbles Homestead.